Hey, Welsh Dragon Metals here, doing a gold test today to find out, is it gold? Be using nitric acid testing on a nice plate there, stone plate. So, be testing these things here. First up we'll have the penny, which is the first one here. That'll be a copper alloy. And we have some e-waste, that's a coaxial connector next to it, should be plated with gold. Then we'll have a bit of gold plated chain, and it has some tin in it underneath. That'll be the third one, very faint there, you can almost just about see it. Then we have the 9 karat gold, that's this one there in the middle, you can quite clearly see that. And then we have 3 pieces of e-waste, different connectors, forked pin, standard pin, and an audio type pin. That'll be these 3 here. So, be testing all them using nitric acid, which is in there, and the ones that aren't gold should dissolve. So, it's a pretty common, cheap test, this, but it does damage your gold, so there are better tests out there that can also tell you the karat also. So, simply just put the nitric acid on you. Fuming away. There you go. Close that. As you can see, it's burning away anything that isn't gold. Quite fumy. Bit too much nitric acid on there. As you can see, it's all burning away. But it's definitely doing its job. Nice close up on that view. Oh, well, it's a good result, I'd say. So the copper there, as you can see in the middle, is completely dissolved away from the penny. Next to that we have the audio connector. Tiny amount remains, I'd say. Next to that, the gold plated chain with tin underneath it, or possibly silver. I'd say that's silver because it remains completely intact. So that's a silver plated gold chain, I'd say. Better than I thought. Discovery. Next to that we have the 9 karat gold alloy. A small amount remains there. Ooh, it's fuming quite a lot, that. A bit too much on there. Next to that we have various gold connectors. Hardly any of that remains. Tiny amount, as you can see on the first one, the audio connector. The others have too thin a plating applied, as you can see. Spreading the nitric acid over all of it. Dissolve off all of the remaining material. Scratch it off. Use next time. And that was all the items tested here. Simple gold test with a cheap nitric acid test. Well, till next time.